Good morning, evening, afternoon, my friends. Welcome to day 3. I just filmed my outro like a second ago and people are staring and stop staring at me. Anyway, today's a C day and it's gonna be boring and a lot of activities are happening. We're finally gonna do the puzzle room thing today, the escape room, I should say. And that's all I got planned. I went to the gym and I hated every second of it. It was terrible. And now I'm at the Windjammer, so. What up? I'm Sare, I'm 17, and I ate so many donuts in the last hour that I look like a donut, and I put myself in a donut coma. Send help, I can't wake up. Guys, I ate like 4 donuts in the span of like the last hour. I have no idea what's going on, but I'm 100% positive that that's Captain Johnny. And that's some top tier shit. I don't know what that means. But look at how pretty this view is. Oh, it's so nice. I mean, we can go down there, but I'm in like a middle of a food coma, so we're just gonna chill up here for a little bit. I don't know what's going on. I'm sorry. Wow, I didn't know we were top tier. Lemonade Society. I love Captain Johnny so much. You do. The doc will take good care of you, and you'll feel better too. Wash your hands, mother proud, and maybe you can join the popular crowd. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
I was looking over that guy's phone. He was the older guy, and he was texting his other friends. He's like, "Listen to the Munster drill," and then the other guy says, "It's Munster, you." I was like, "Oh, that's nice."
Listen to the mustard drill.
Do they have a ketchup drill?
So that means we have to do Symphony of the Seas.
Yeah, let's do it. Next vlog, Symphony of the Seas. Hey everybody, I know I haven't vlogged a lot today, like at all. Like I vlogged like 3 times, but I haven't done anything. I've been hanging out with my friends all day, and I don't think they would want to be on like my vlog that only like 10 people are gonna see. So LOL. Anyway, now we're at Jamie's Italian, and I'm happy. The rest of the night, just gonna be hanging out. I'm not gonna be doing anything special. Tomorrow we're gonna be in Jamaica. And we're not getting off the boat, so it's gonna be boring, but you know, whatever, it's fine, don't worry about it. Alright, our house, in the middle of our house, 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 our house, in the middle of our at the show, and I just came to the realization that I'm in the friendship, which means that I just went through the wrong side, and now I gotta walk down a long corridor to get to my room. It's like it's bad enough that my room is all the way in the back, but now it's even worse because now I'm all the way in the front and need to get to all the way in the back. My legs are really sore from working out this morning. It's like I'm complaining a lot about it, but like I did to myself. So I think that's it for today because I'm tired and I want to sleep. So good morning, evening, afternoon. My name is Sarah. Welcome back to my channel where every day for the last couple of days I've been vlogging my vacation on Home of the Seas. Today we're in the beautiful Jamaica. We're not getting off. We're going to be here till 6 p.m. by ourselves on the boat because we don't get off in Jamaica ever. So that kind of blows, I guess. But besides that, we're going to try to have a good day. I don't know what's open and what's closed because we're in port. I'm really hoping to try to find something to do. I know a lot of my friends are off the boat though, so like, oh well. That's kind of it for right now. It's probably going to be another short vlog, like my C-Day vlog, because usually I just hang out, take a lot of naps. So, that's what my life has come to. And I'll see you next clip. So we decided to get off and walk around the port because it's in the middle of nowhere and everything's an hour away. Who's behind me? No, stranger. There they are.
Look, honey, Diamonds International.
So I got my hair braided.
How long her hair is.
That's different. I never expected that. What they put in my hair?
Gel, a lot of gel. Looks like I have like a.
Bottom right here.
We can fix it later.
Well, she
No,
could
she
do it
can
professionally.
No, that's alright. I want
I'll
her.
fix it, otherwise it's gonna come out.
Me and Sal are in the process of sharing coconut. Your face.
I'll be drinking all my juices.
Sal's sitting next to the big fat lunch.
It's a cigar.
What? I love you.
We're not talking to me, we're talking to him.
Alright fam, I know I didn't vlog that much today, but I was having a lot of fun with my friends. We went to the party, it was a glow party. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. It's like borderline 1 a.m. now, so I'm like sneaking back to the room. Tomorrow's a cruise day, so that's happening. I'm like really close to the camera. I'm walking back to the room now. I'm like really tired. Hold on. So tomorrow's gonna be boring again. And then we go to Labadee, and that's when the big birthday surprise happens that my mom doesn't know about yet. And we're really excited about it. So that's gonna be a fun day. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Good night. See you tomorrow.